The technologies of cultural heritage monitoring identifies protocols and procedures which need to be modernised and automated to reduce costs and time. Current spectroscopy's results are often too difficult or slow in order to generate global information about the piece under study. These analytical processes involve piece moving, manipulation, sampling and transportation, and therefore put the artwork at risk of deterioration. It was made up of 11 companies, private institutions and public research centres from 9 European countries. A project called Syddarta began. Syddarta is a pre-industrial prototype for diagnosing the deterioration on movable assets by the acquisition of 3D hyperspectral imaging through scanning and non-destructive techniques. Syddarta produces images that contain spectroscopic information of the artwork to be analysed in different bands of the spectrum, and gives chemical composition information of the different materials and layers at the actual 3D surface. But how? By means of a very narrow bandwidth screening and the use of volumetric digitisation. These analyses are carried out by combining mapping, spectroscopic and image processing techniques based on tunable filters and customised light sources. In addition to data visualization, this equipment produces classification models for substance and alteration identification from chemical and topologic to the object. Syddarta consists of a single piece of equipment, transportable and operational in the visible and shortwave infrared spectral ranges. The activity developed in Syddarta has been grouped into 7 work packages. Work Package 1 consisted of the coordination and management. Work Package 2 considered the contextualization of the new methodology, the analytical methods by selecting real artwork and preparing dedicated historic samples for experimentation. Work Package 3 consisted of the integration of the Syddarta prototype. Work Package 4 consisted of the hardware component and module production. Work Package 5 consisted of the software development of 2 applications for prototype control and posterior data processing. Work Package 6 consisted on dealing with testing the new developed methodologies and prototypes on the real selected artwork in order to draw conclusions. Work Package 7 is dissemination. The findings of these projects will have a direct and positive impact in the way heritage researchers, scholars and other patrimony agents will address the inspection of heritage assets. The findings of this project will have a direct and positive impact in the way heritage researchers, scholars and other patrimony agents will address the inspection of heritage assets. Syddarta has great potential for evaluating the state of a piece of art in a fast, reliable, detailed and robust fashion. The Syddarta prototype can be used in asset inspection, monitoring and damage quantification, while helping in the prognosis of resources required for conservation and protection. Data produced by the prototype may also be easily shared among different platforms. In this way, it increases the access to heritage data and optimizes manipulation, analysis and results. Syddarta, taking care of art.